Hello everyone, I'm Jeffrey from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'm going to talk about thermal transducers. A thermal transducer is a device that converts the thermal quantity into any physical quantity, such as mechanical energy, pressure, and electrical signals. Resistance thermometer. A resistance thermometer is a device that is used to determine temperature by the variation in resistance of a conductor. It is commonly known as resistance temperature detector, RTD, and is an accurate temperature sensor. Construction of resistance temperature detector. RTDs have a sensing element made of metal, typically platinum. The construction is typically such that the wire is bound on the form to achieve small size and improve the conductivity to decrease the response time, which is of 1 to 7 seconds. In many cases, the coil is protected from the environment by a protective tube, maybe glass or stainless steel, that increases response time but may be necessary in hostile environment. RTDs are either a metal film deposited on former or wire-bound resistors. The devices are then sealed in glass ceramic composite materials. The electric resistance of a pure metal is positive, increasing linearly with temperature. An RTD is usually connected into beach-stone bridge circuit. This allows for detection of very small changes in the resistance of sensing element. The meter M used to measure the bridge unbalanced voltage can be calibrated to indicate temperature. Advantages of RTD. More stable over time, most accurate, most repeatable temperature measurement, very resistant to contamination, corrosion, PF, the RTD element. Disadvantages of RTD. High cost, slowest response time, low sensitivity to small temperature change, sensitive to vibration, somewhat fragile. Thermistor. A thermistor is a resistance thermometer or a resistor whose resistance is dependent on temperature. The term is a combination of thermal and resistor. Although all resistance of resistors fluctuate slightly with temperature, a thermistor is particularly sensitive to temperature change. They are accurate, cheap, and robust way to measure a temperature. They do not work well in extreme hot and cold temperatures. Types of thermistor. Positive temperature coefficient thermistor, PTC. Negative temperature coefficient thermistor, NTC. PTC is a type of thermistor whose resistance is directly proportional to the surrounding temperature. Its resistance increases with an increase in the temperature and decreases with decrease in the temperature. NTC thermistors are made of oxides of nickel, cobalt, copper, iron, and titanium. They usually operate at a very large range of temperatures with very precise temperature monitoring. Advantages of thermistor. Less expensive, more sensitive than other sensors, fast response, small in size. Disadvantages of thermistors. Limited temperature range, resistance to temperature ratio correlation is nonlinear, and inaccurate measurement may be obtained due to self-heating effect, and it's fragile. Thank you.